Of course, Rupa Goswami, he writes in Upadeshamrita that this is the topmost place of bhajan, Radhakund. He says higher than Vaikuntha is Mathura because Krishna is born there. Higher than Mathura is Vrindavan because of Krishna's rasa dance. Higher than Vrindavan is Govardhan. And the highest place in all of Brajmandal is Radhakund. So, when another verse he writes in Vilapkusumanjali Das Goswami Pad, he says, here only atreva samvasa ihaiva samstati. Atreva ihaiva. Ihaiva atreva. Basically means, here only I will live, atreva samvas, and ihaiva samstiti. And here only I will stay. So basically repetition. Here only I will live, and here only I will stay. It's like repetition for emphasis. So this is a strong sankalp, and this type of nishtha is required.